please come on up and we are going to take a picture of you. So these students have a GPA of 3.0 to 3.49, which means B's and A's for the most part. So really good job on this. So you are going to stand up when I call your name, and your voices are going to be off. Because I'm sure that if your name was up there, you would want to hear it. All right. If I mess up your name, I'm sorry, I didn't practice. All right. Ashley, Claire, Daniel, Gabby, Jack. You guys should be standing up. You should be standing up. When I call your name, you should be standing up. Nargis, did I say that? I don't think I said that right. Nargis. Oceana, Celeste, Jaylani. Come on, people, stand up. Adelina, Angel, Makai, Olivia, Hannah, Anthony, Ardis, Riel, Carson, and Midori. Please stand up. Everybody, give these guys a round of applause. Awesome. Good job, good job, good job. All right, thank you. You may have a seat. And I'm going to turn this over to Ms. Burnett.
Okay, boys, we're off. Okay, when I call your name, this is for anyone with a GPA above 3.5. So mostly A's, maybe a B. You're going to come up and get your certificate from Miss Law, and then you're going to go stand over there next to Mr. McDermott. Okay? Okay, voices are off.
Eyes are up here.
Okay. We've got Angel Asante Modis. Jace Fleming.
He's in Oregon.
Charlotte Radden. Aaron Bailey. Cristobal Ikua. Era Phillips. Gabriel Suarez. Isabella Workman. Giovanni Calderisi. Jessica Espinosa de los Monteros. And then Mahala. Okay, one more big round of applause for your honor roll 3.5 and above.
So if you represent, if you want a pride award from your teachers.
All right, your clapping has been pathetic. I need it to be better. First pride award goes to Jelani Wynn. Next is Isabella Workman.
Hey, your voices should be off.
Clap, but don't talk. Ashley Correa Boverin. Omar Gonzalez Hernandez. Shayla Toller. Carla Venegas. Aiden Dillwood. Kyle Martin. Era Phillips. Gabriel Suarez. Carly St. Clair. And last but not least, Isabella Juarez O'Mara.
All right, Ms. Dice is coming up with perfect attendance.
All right, everybody. First of all, I'm going to apologize if I mess up your name. I just got to the students right now. Okay, so we have Mahalit Jesuit.
Oh, different Mahalit.
Okay, sorry, thank you. All right. Serene. Benson. All right, Cristobal Aquino Josera. Evelyn Moreno Villanova. Michael Scarlett. Roman Wick. And Nova Book.
Just making sure Ellen Moreno is not here. She won a perfect attendance award for first quarter, but is not here. Okay. All right, character traits from Ms. Humphrey.
All right, so each month we're doing a strong character trait. And so Ms. Buffton and I got together and we nominated students that we saw showing kindness, which was our character trait for September, and humility, which was our character trait for October. So our kindness awards go to Brielle Boozer and Kamaje Riley. Humility, Jamie Barron.
Hey, voices should be up.
And Diego Solorzano Mendoza. Those are our humility awards. Good job. Keep working on those character strong traits.
All right, you guys ready to do some stuff with leadership? All right, turning it over. Voices off and please listen.
All right, we are going to play just a quick game of musical chairs today. And so we are going to, how's it going? Faster, room. We are going to
Yes. You don't listen?
Hold on, technical difficulties. Can we take it on this? All right, while we're waiting for the sound, let's see who we got up here. Tell us your name.
Safari.
Frankie.
GQ. Jonathan.
Miss Buster?
Abby. Anthony. All right, are you ready now? Okay, here we go. Go. Katie.
Jaden always wants to get out, bro. Jaden, get some on. You gotta get out. Anthony, ball.
All right, find a chair. Oh no, we counted wrong. All right, but you were last, so you're going to be out, okay? All right, we're going to take 2 chairs.
Let's
Push it back together.
Let's go.